really, really close to killing this so many times. And I just need people to focus up on the last phase. Again, if you're at a point where you're scared about mechanics and shit, just focus on the mechanics, you know? Like, just focus on. Unless you get an orb on top of you, the only damage that happens is from the knockbacks and getting it one shot. All the damage in the last phase, except for the orb soaks and the orb damage, is one shot. You just have to play mechanically well. Personal here.
Confess your sins, lest they consume.
Very awesome balloon, sorry. Really very awesome balloon. We'll appreciate it personal.
Your humans amassed a debt you cannot pay.
This is awesome balloon like Jason. Shadow Priest made level 1.
Stop damage from boss.
Yeah, stop, please. Everyone stop damage. Anyone with 4 stacks. Elder, make sure you get in this, please.
Yeah.
Pain cleanses the soul.
Yeah, it's done. Fine.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Memoria, rid my castle. It is time you remembered your
Jump.
place, mortals.
Upper grip if you need it.
Crawl to me on your knees. Surrender, and I will grant you a merciful
4,
end.
3, 2, 1.
Good. Make sure mirror grip spotting here.
Servants, remove this refuse from my sight.
Dodging, please. Remember your kick.
Coming through that, watch out.
I will cut you down.
Close to that, not on it.
Dodging.
I need the kick, Mythic. Fuck.
It's fine,
Okay,
Hellstone,
everyone
Hellstone.
Hellstone. Everyone pop a Hellstone right now, please. Okay, we can recover. Who kills wit? Everyone else can go through 9. Personal, please. We'll stand next to it. Where is it? We got there. Up here.
Please focus on dodging.
No, get heads.
You can rest.
It's weird the way this works. You can come back and res. Through. I'll go back and res. I got better range. Away from Gales now.
Can you there?
Yeah. Back to res.
House knows, nothing fail. Focus the boss.
I'll have to accept this quickly.
Yes.
Scream for me!
The odds.
Cabal! Feast upon these meddlers!
Dodging. Range focus the right out,
Scream
please.
for me! Grimoria, carve screams from their flesh.
Dodging. Keep dodging.
Perish together!
Nice playing,
They're
guys.
good.
Well played, well recovered.
Watch out with his sword.
Use defensives, please.
Scream for me!
Frontal. Dodge as well. Last set of dodging before phase 3 coming up.
Grimoria, massacre these
So-
whelps!
Just massacre. You're fine, you're fine.
I will cut you down!
Someone's sucking a lot of air.
Please consume you!
It's fine.
Leave some for the rest of us, yeah?
We're good, we're good, we're good. Phase 3, good damage as well. Got a CR.
Say, sucking dick.
Shut the fuck up, please. Got like 2 more pulls left. Focus up on this, please.
Yet you continue to provoke.
Please, after the blood price, remember to pop.
Very well. You shall have it!
Knock back here.
Drop on
Blood price, use a
purple.
mini personal, please. Mini personal.
None will survive!
To the right. Play an orange. Go. Just look the far one, guys. Knock back. Don't be too far back. Toss here.
Drop on green hand.
Drop on skull. Or talk to each other if there's 2. Or you can just spread from each other from the get-go.
I'll go back.
Don't get cleaved, please. Knock back here after this. Moon upstairs after the knockback.
Inside
Moon
green.
upstairs. Moon upstairs, please. They're careful, you're a bit further forward.
Drop yellow inside.
Go. Someone call, please.
I'm going behind.
You split from each other. There's one far back for you guys in melee, careful.
Yeah,
There you go.
front one first. And then back one. I've used my death advance though. Nice.
Yeah.
Got it.
You got it, you
Personal.
got it. Blood price, use a personal and Hellstone if you're low. This spirit shallow.
You will all die at my feet!
These are on the Ravage.
It's on X inside.
Alright.
X inside. Pots
Don't
inside
be,
now.
don't be stacked, guys. Don't be stacked.
It's a bit further for you guys.
Okay, we got it, we got it. We got it.
Pots inside.
Knock back soon. After the soak, make sure you get forward. Move forward, guys. Okay.
We get on,
Move to
on
skill.
purple here. Yeah, everyone
Big
in
red.
melee group get on purple. Off Microsoft.
Keep an eye on your own HP, please, here, guys.
I see 3 people now on purple.
Get on
Make
that
sure you're on
purple.
purple, guys. You're ready to take the gate whenever the shit appears. Doing really good. Just focus up here, please. Mechanics over everything here. Take the gate. Dodge massacre. Try and be forward if you can. Okay,
Get on
focus
X
to the right.
inside.
You can
On
rest
X.
in.
Forward.
Don't go too far. Careful. Good.
Okay, soaks.
Soaks here.
Take loon.
Take the res.
Soak the back
Just
one.
focus up here, please, guys. Knock back here. Try and be a bit further forward. And there's a blood price after the knockback. Make sure you
Any personals here. And they don't
knock
have
back
the-
first after the on the blood price, yeah. Okay. Use personals, please. Everyone should be using personals here.
We drop yellow inside.
Just focus up. We drop blue and orange here. Anything to
Yellow,
load?
yellow. Yeah, in the middle.
Cold plate.
Go. Barrier on top of us. Anything to live here, guys. It's fucking
Soak,
insane.
soak, soak.
Taking.
Knock back here.
Best advance in this.
Get back, dump these anywhere, please.
them
Anywhere.
anywhere.
Not on the
Yeah,
red.
not on the
Not on the
players.
red. Kill the boss.
Kill the boss!
Oh my
Oh my fucking god.
Last
Oh, God.
Oh,
Easy boss! Finally!
Oh my God.
fucking
Well,
nice.
that was a really good phase 3. Like, really fucking
Yeah, it
good.
was so close.
Honestly,
Yeah.
after that Ravage, after that Portal Ravage, the fight's like, I swear it's super easy.
Oh, I just nutted now. She's kidding.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my
Finally!
God. That was
Go,
great.
boys. Now give me that
Yeah,
helmet
next
for
one.
transmog.
No, give it to me, man.
Nah, fuck you,
Transmog.
weapon. Me.
Give me transmog.
Oh,
yeah.
God, yes! Oh,
Oh, in the fuck.
oh Verdi doesn't deserve that.
Double
That's
shot.
kidding.
Whoa, 24% on Death Advance. Let's go.
226.
Didn't even get that.
Honestly, probably a bigger
Yeah.
damage upgrade for me than getting a conduit than an item. Oh, actually, him Nelson. Oh, who even got gear? Oh,
You know,
Girl
I
fucking
saw a guy
weapon.
that conduit.
We got Dreadfire Vessel. So fun. Unlucky.
Godane Stain Mage, yeah.
Easy.
It's a shit train.